If you're a beginner, then you need to watch this. Ever wondered how to start investing with just $100? Let's dive in. First, let's talk platforms. Look for ones with low fees and low minimums that are beginner-friendly. Many apps and online brokers are perfect for this. Check for educational resources too. Next, think diversified investments. ETFs and index funds are your friends here. They let you invest in a bunch of stocks or bonds at once, spreading out your risk. With $100, you can snag a share and get broad market exposure. Robo-advisors are another fantastic option. These smart platforms create and manage a portfolio for you based on your goals and risk tolerance. Low fees and low minimums make them perfect for starters. Interested in individual stocks? Try fractional shares. You can buy a piece of a stock without shelling out big bucks. Remember, always do your research before you invest. Know what you're getting into and the risks involved. Start small, keep an eye on your investments, and grow as you get comfy. That's it for today. Subscribe to Money Matrix and tap the notification bell for more tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time.